Rhagfyr, December, Rhagfyr, the month whose name literally tells you what's happening. Rhag, pre or before, and byr, short, before the shortness of daylight, the point where the days shrink, the light fades, and everyone begins every conversation with, "Ooh, ma'n dywyll yn gynnar dyddiau yma dydi?" And our Celtic cousins go even further. Cefardw yn y Gerniweg a Celzw yn Llydaweg. Mae'r ddau yn golygu before blackness, before darkness. Apparently, their December isn't just byr, it's aggressively dark. A be am y term ferry, am freezing, seems appropriate at this time of year, first written down by William Salisbury in 1547 and almost certainly connected to the Irish term fwyr, meaning oer, chwinciad bach Celtaidd o dros y môr. So Rhagfyr, before the short days, before the dark days, and dangerously close to the point where ferry becomes a personality trait, and you're still trying to convince people, dwi'n iawn yn gwisgo dim ond crys peldroed Cymru.